Hey, first graders, we are going to do our free response writing for this week. We read the story House Sounds just now, and you answered some questions about it. And now we are going to answer one more question. The question we're going to answer is, how does the teacher's note solve the girl's problem? Okay, so you have this on your paper. So make sure you have your paper ready. How does the teacher's note solve the girl's problem? Okay, so what is the topic of this sentence? What is this sentence or this question mostly about? It's about the teacher's note. Okay, so that is what we are going to start with. Instead of starting with a person for our beginning noun, we're going to start with a thing, the teacher's note. Okay, so when it asks who are we mostly writing about, it's actually a what are we writing about. We're writing about the teacher's note. Okay, so go ahead and write the teacher's note. Notice I'm starting with a capital. So I'm just taking it from here, but I'm starting with a capital because I'm putting it at the beginning of the sentence. The teacher's note. What does the note do? Solves the girl's problem. Remember, we usually have to add an S right here with the verb, because the teacher's note solve the girl's problem doesn't flow right. It doesn't sound right. The teacher's note solves the girl's problem. The teacher's note solves the girl's problem. Who, what, when, where, how, and why. Okay, we have our who. In this case, it's actually a what. The teacher's note does what? Solves the girl's problem. Who, what, when? Do we need to worry about that? No. Where? No. How? That's our question word. How? Okay, when we have the question word how, we give a way it's doing it. So we're going to say by, and then we provide the way in which the teacher's note solves the girl's problem. So to be able to answer this, you have to know what the girl's problem was, right? Which was one of the questions already. Why was it a problem? What was the problem the girl was having? So if you understand what the problem was with her staying home, then you will better be able to answer the question of how the teacher's note solves the problem. Okay? So remember, what did the teacher's note say? Let's look at the teacher's note real quick. Okay, let's see if I can get that open. Okay, so let's see here. We'll make this bigger. The teacher's note didn't come till the end of the story. So I'm going to come here to the end. Okay. Oh, there's teacher's note. Write a book, the teacher's note says. Okay, so that's what the note says. How does that solve the problem that the girl is facing? Okay, so make sure you know what the problem is, and then you're able to answer how it's being solved by the teacher's note. Okay, good luck. Have fun.